Why do you make everything so complicated? Words are words. I don't need AI to explain a riverbank. Hold on, if you take three words, cold, warm, and freezing, if you use a semantic model, you can see which words are most similar to each other. I'll accept that. Semantics is like synonyms. Your AI models are essentially big dictionaries. Oh boy, it's much more than that. You know, transformers are the biggest advancement in AI, and they're all based around learning about context. Ooh, transformers. I prefer GLMs, predictable and transparent. Take a look at these two sentences. You'll see the word bank is used in two different ways. So you're telling me you need context to understand that bank in the first sentence refers to money, while in the second sentence refers to water and rivers. Exactly, now you're getting it. But who would use words in such an inexact and confusing way? But that's not how language works. So when we use a sentence embedding approach, it recognizes you need to understand the entire sentence to get the meaning. So much irrationality. I did try your sentence embeddings approach, and it was 500 times slower than using static embeddings. True, but would you rather arrive at the wrong place quickly or at the right place a little bit slower? Most people value accuracy and want to use context. I prefer to be plain spoken. Enough of this. I'm going to go take my bat down to the riverbank.